Hi friends, Mrs. Skiffington here, take you through the literacy choice board for today. So going across the top, your must-do activities, you're going to be starting again with your handwriting packet, and you're going to be working on the letter T. I'm very grateful that this packet is in order. It helps. So letter T, and we do all our uppercase tracing first, and then writing T. And I think I've said it enough. You only have to do as many as there are dots. Those are your starting points. So that's where you're going to pull down straight, which is your first stroke for T. Okay. And then here we have a couple of words. One is toot. I'm thinking that, I'm not sure why that's in capital, but maybe that's that little locomotive's name. Toot. And then tiny town, that's the name of a place, so it's capital. So trace those two words. Then you're going to just turn it over. And on the back of that page is lowercase t. Sorry, I'm dropping my stuff. Lowercase t. And we have a train and a tower and a track is the word track. It's hard to see. So trace your lowercase t's. Make some lowercase t's. And then we have the word train, tower, and track to trace. It's like a tongue twister. Okay, so that's T. That is your first must-do activity. Okay. Next, we are again going to our literacy packet, going to the letter sound section, which is the first section, and you're going to look for your letter B, which I believe is actually the first one in the packet. The B says B, like banana. Okay, so again, tracing your capital and lowercase b, making one capital and lowercase b, and then read our words: balloon, leaf, bear, and butterfly. Which one of those words have b at the beginning? Cut those out, glue them up here in their spots, 1, 2, 3, and then you can color the pictures. Okay, that's your second must-do activity. Also in the same packet, only now we're going to head back towards the end where the word wall activities are. Actually, sight word activity, word wall, what I call them sometimes too, but sight word activities. And you are going to do the cut and glue for is. Cut, color, and glue for is. Now, cut, color, and glues are towards the back with the little squares. So you're going to find is. Hopefully, it's right after R, which you did yesterday. And it looks like this. Okay. So there's the word is. Tracing is, coloring is, cutting out the two letters that make up the word and putting them in their correct spelling order. Those are your must-do activities for today. Okay. Your choice activities, you can take your sight word cards. I'm guessing you might have cut them out, but if you haven't, you can cut them out or use what you have. But the sight words we have finished to date are this whole first page and almost this whole first page. The only word we haven't learned yet is And there you go, you just learned it. No, I will be doing that one next week. So you can cut all these out and practice them. Just keep, flipping them over. One of the things that I like to do is lay them around the house and like make a trail, and then say them as you go, as you step. It's just a fun way to move while you also use your sight word cards. So that is a choice activity, one of the first choices. The next choice activity is to, again, practice your letters. Now we're going to practice L, I, and T, uppercase and lowercase, on either side or both sides, whichever works for you. Okay. And then the last choice activity is called beginning sound sorts. That is another Google slide, which means it's going to ask you if you want to make a copy. Make a copy? Yes, I'll make a copy. So you're going to make a copy, and what you will have is, I think there's about 3 slides, because those are the sounds we've covered so far. And you'll see 2 boxes. Each have a letter, and there's a bunch of pictures down the bottom. Your job is to take those pictures and put them in the right box. So let's say there's a banana, and there's a box that says B. So banana begins with B, so you're going to just drag it up into that box, and you're going to do that until all the pictures are done. And then you can move on to the next slide, and there's 3 different slides for you to try today. Again, choice activity. So that's it. That explains the choice board for today. I hope you have fun. We'll see you soon. I can't get this thing to work. So I'm going to do it myself.